Here's a strategy for generating an idea for your personal narrative story. The strategy includes making a list of people in your life that matter most to you. Starting with one person, list memories you have with that person. So I'm going to start with 3 people, and the first people that come to my mind would be my mom, my brother Justin, and my boyfriend Alex. And then I'm just going to think about a memory I have with each of them. So the first memory that comes to mind when I think about my mom would be when my family threw a surprise party for my mom's birthday. And the whole time she thought we were going to a party for my cousin. And then I'm thinking about a memory I have with my brother Justin, and that would be when he completely outdanced me when we entered the room at my other brother's wedding. That was pretty funny. And then a memory I have with Alex would be when we drove back home from New York after picking up our new puppy, and we got stuck in a snowstorm. So that was a strategy that we learned today. We learned to first make a list of people in your life that are important to you, and then go back and list any memories that you have with that person. So now I already have 3 ideas for a personal narrative story. And now it's your turn to try.